ஹாய் ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோவில் இந்தியன் ரயில்வே இன்ஜினியரிங் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் கேட்கக்கூடிய ஜூனியர் இன்ஜினியர் பர்மனெண்ட் வே எக்ஸாம் மாடல் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதில் ஒரு டாப்பிக்கான ஜாயின்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபிஷ் பிளேட்டை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், வாட் இஸ் த மீன் பை இன்சுலேட்டட் ஜாயிண்ட்? இன்சுலேட்டட் ஜாயிண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் யூஸ்ட் இன் ட்ராக் சர்க்யூட்டட் ஏரியாஸ். இட் ப்ரிவென்ட்ஸ் எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் எனர்ஜி பாசிங் from one rail to another rail. What is the period of inspection of insulated joint? Insulated joint should be inspected once in 3 months. What is meant by glued joint? The improved insulated joint is called as glued joint. What is meant by G3L joint? G3L joint are used in long welded rails. What is meant by G3S joint? G3S are used for in short welded rails. What are the inspection to be done in glued joint? There should not be any gap in the glued joint. No burr should be in glued joint. Spacing of sleepers should be correct. There must be clear gap of 50 mm below rail foot. What is the name of the fish bolt used in glued joint? The name of fish bolt is high tensile strength bolt. What is meant by combination joint? Combination joints is used for connecting rails of different rail section. How many fish plates are there in combination joint? 4 fish plates. What are the joints provided with zero gap? Combination joint, grazing joint, SEJ joints and insulated joints. What is the length of the fish plate used in joint? 1 meter fish plate. What the joggled fish plates are used? Joggled fish plates are used in welded joints. How many clamps are used in joggled fish plate? 4 clamps. What are the names of fish plates used in combination fish plate? L in, L out, R in, R out. How will you fix the combination fish plate? Combination fish plate are fixed by sitting on the smaller rails and fixing on the higher rail. What is the gap to be given on the combination fish plate joint? No gap. What is meant by slotted hole fish plate? Slotted hole fish plate, the holes in the fish plate are elongated. What is the diameter of hole provided in rails for fish bowls? 33 mm. What is the diameter of rails for capless joint? 26.5 mm. What is the dia hole in the fish plate joint? 32 mm. What is the thickness of the fish bolt? 25 mm. What is the length of fish bolt? 144 mm for 52 kg rails and 147 mm for 60 kg rails. What is the length of spanner used in broad gauge rails? 2.5 feet. Why joint bolts should not be over tightened? If the joints are over tightened, expansion and contraction is prevented in the joint. What is the normal gap provided on the free joint? 6 mm. What is the period of greasing of fish plate? Once in a year. What will happen if the gap in the joints is more? Rail's end will be battered. What is the use of shovels? Used for boxing of ballast. What is the inclination at which the grow bar is planted for aligning of track? The grow bar is planted for aligning of track at an inclination of 30 degree. What is meant by chamfering of bolt holes? Hardening the sharp edges of bolt hole is called as a chamfering of bolt holes. What is the advantage of chamfering of holes? It prevents development of gaps around the bolt holes. What is the size of hole in CMS crossing? 25 mm. What is the size of hole in stretcher bar? 20 mm. What is the flat tire? Flat tire on the wheel tire causing hammering action on the rail's head It is called as flat tire. How the defects inside the rails are identified? The defects inside the rails are identified by ultrasonic test. What is mean by X mark in ultrasonic test? X mark means OBS, that observation. What is the mean by triple X mark in ultrasonic test? Triple X marks means IMR, immediate removal. What is mean by ultrasonic wave? Ultrasonic wave is the sound wave. How the keyman should observe the ultrasonic mark? He must observe daily during his inspections. What the keyman should keep the detail of ultrasonic marks? He must keep in his diary. What are all the locations in which joggled fish plates are available? Available at each kilometer, level crossing gates and gang to pass. What is mean by DFW? DFW means defective welds. What is the time period to rename IMR defect? 3 days. What is observation to be made by keyman while doing oiling and greasing of fish plate? Rename IMR defect. Fish plate. While greasing of fish plates, keyman should be observed wear on the fish plates on the rails and for any visible cracks and joints. What is the period of gap survey in SWP? Once in a year. What is the name of longitudinal movement of rails? Grip. What is mean by OBS in bridge? It should renewed immediately. What is the mean by OBS E? If the crack inside the fish plate. What is the use of Paura? Paura is using of boxing of ballast. What is the use of magnifying glass? Magnifying used for find out the grass and rails. What is the use of ordinary mirror in rail testing? To find out the cracks below the foot of rails. What is the type of grease used for greasing of fish plate joint? IS 408 1981. What is the thickness of paint applied on the rails? 175 microns. Next video maintenance of work பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். Bye.